So this is the belt that we're going to be replacing. It's the Serpentine belt. The goal here is to loosen up the alternator, that way we can give some slack to the belt and pull it off. We need to loosen this bolt here, which is what connects the alternator to the frame, and so that's where it'll hinge. It's a hinge, it'll pivot. And then down here there's two bolts here and here that are what tighten the alternator.
It puts tension on the belt.
It puts tension. All right, so we just loosened this bolt here. This bolt here. Don't loosen that one. This one here. Mm-hmm. And that allows the alternator to pivot like this, which gave us slack in the rope once we loosened the bolt next to this down here, and then the tensioner bolt here. This used a 14 millimeter driver socket. And then this down here used a 13 millimeter socket. 12.
And now it comes right off.
We just got the belt off down there. So what it looks like, it's the alternator there, all out of the way. There's a better look at the bolts that we loosened up.
And here's the belt. It's in good shape.
Here's the belt, which we don't need to replace it. It's in good condition already. And so we're just going to put it back on. We have reinstalled the old belt because it was in good condition, but if you're actually changing this, it would obviously be the new belt. And now we're just going to do the whole process in reverse.
We're going to tighten that.
I'm going to tighten the tensioning bolt there, and then the bolt next to it once we're done.
And the pivot bolt.
And then the pivot bolt, which is here.
Right here.
Alright, so we've just finished tightening everything up. We tightened the tensioning bolt until this was snug. And then we tightened this to 35 foot-pounds, this bolt down here. And then the pivot bolt here, which you can't really see, but this pivot bolt here to 25 foot-pounds.
And now we're going to do a smoke test.
Yeah. Not that I can tell. There you go. It's rolling. Everything seems to be working. And he turned it off.